Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, everybody.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
So, you all have completed your work. सब पेज नंबर 28 तक सबका कंप्लीट हो चुका है.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So, in the holidays, what did you all do, children?
मैम आप बोली थी कि 28 को आप करवाएंगी मैम, क्योंकि वो नहीं
28 तक मैंने डिस्कस कर दिया था क्लास में. सब लोग कर लिए हो?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Then
ma'am.
Today we will know about the fact file of 30 page number. कोई एक बच्चा इसको रीड आउट करो. Fact file.
मैम
Okay,
फैक्ट फाइल हो गया था.
हो चुका था.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. Ma'am, complete.
Okay, then come to this page number 31. Test your wisdom.
Yes, sir.
Fill in the blanks. Dash invented pendulum clock. Pythagoras. Pythagoras, Pythagoras. Pythagoras. Dash is the unit for measuring the frequency of sound. Hertz. 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 Tomatoes are the richest source of dash.
Vitamin.
Vitamin A. Then next one, dash is the crust of the earth.
Lithosphere.
Yes, LITHOSPHERE. Lithosphere. Dash is the science of governing travel in space.
Astronautic.
Yes.
Astronautic. Astronautic.
ASTRONAUTICS. Astronautics. Answer correct option. Ultrasonic sounds have frequency more than 10,000 hertz or 20,000 hertz. What will be the correct answer?
20,000 hertz. 20,000 hertz.
Then comes dolphins are mammals or reptiles?
Mammals.
Howler monkey or gorilla is the loudest voice animal on the land?
Howler monkey.
Then butter or yeast contains fats?
Butter.
Yes. Crow or forest owlet is an endangered bird of India?
Forest
owlet. State whether true or false. Jellyfish is the largest brain animal as compared to its body?
False. Ma'am, false.
Dozen were the engineers who developed IBM PC?
True. Ma'am, true.
Yes.
तीन गो क्लास चला है दोनों में.
Rickets is a disease in which muscles become weak?
False.
Histology is a science that deals with the study of the structure of tissues?
True.
Yes. Jaggery is a rich source of iron?
True. Ma'am,
No, children, have you ever taken jaggery? Jaggery आप लोग कभी खाए हो या पिए हो? क्या होता है जैगरी? शुगर केन जूस, गन्ने का ईख का रस, ये
Ma'am,
जैगरी, उसको जैगरी बोलते हैं, दैट जूस ऑफ शुगर केन, एंड इट कंटेन्स मच मोर अमाउंट ऑफ आयरन, और उसी से क्या बनता है, गुड़ बनता है,
Iron.
ठीक है, आयरन कंटेंट उसमें बहुत ज्यादा है. देन मैच द फॉलोइंग, कलर ब्लाइंडनेस,
Eyes.
eyes, and what,
Mammal.
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 oriental stroke,
Endangered bird.
Endangered bird.
teflon,
Roy Plunkett.
teflon is what, Roy Plunkett. Then Saturn V, it is the biggest rocket.
Biggest rocket.
Then here unjumble the letters of to find out the answer. Letters को unscramble करना है, and then you have to find out the appropriate answer to this sentence. POP is a group of dolphin. What will be the correct?
POD.
Yes, POD is a group of dolphins. Laws of electricity was given by DARFAAY. What will be the correct word?
Faraday.
Faraday. FARADAY. Yes, correct. UCANUPCEURT is a Chinese medical practice involving insertion of thin needles into the body. What is the correct word?
Acupuncture.
Yes,
Acupuncture.
yes, ACCUPUNCTURE, acupuncture. Then PHIAOBVIA is a fear of flying. What is the word? Appropriate word.
Aviophobia.
Aviophobia. Yes, AVIOPHOBIA. Aviophobia. Then DDRANOI is a software package for smartphones, including many application programs.
Android.
Android. Android.
ID.
Write the full form of the following abbreviations. CAM.
Computer aided manufacturing.
Yes, computer aided, aided manufacturing. Spellings you all are writing correctly now?
Yes, ma'am.
COMPUTER.
Yes, ma'am.
Added, and MUNUCFACTURING, manufacturing. Then GUI, graphical used interface. GUI is graphical used interface.
Interface.
Then ICT,
Information and
Information and communication technology. Information
yes,
and communication technology.
communication technology.
Technology.
Then UMTS.
Universal Mobile
Telecommunication System.
Yes, Universal Mobile Telecommunication System. GSM,
Global System for Mobile Communication.
Global system for mobile communication. Then given below are the pictures of some famous Indian scientists. Name them. First is Satyendra Nath Bose.
Satyendranath Bose.
Then next is second one,
Dr.
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 Jahangir
Bhabha.
Bhabha. Dr. Homi Jahangir Bhabha. Write the correct spelling. Dr.
Yes,
Dr. and Home Jahangir or Baba Bha. Then next one is S. Chandrasekhar.
S. Chandrasekhar.
is Chandrasekhar.
S. Chandrasekhar.
Yes. Chandrasekhar is Chandrasekhar. Then next is Vikram Sarabhai.
Vikram
Vikram
Sarabhai.
Sarabhai.
Vikram Sarabhai.
Yes. What is the spelling of Vikram?
Vikram.
Vikram SARS Sara BHEI bhai.
Vikram Sarabhai. So this second chapter till second chapter we have completed. And
Yes, ma'am.
what is your work? आपका क्या काम है इसमें? Learn करना. In your holidays, you all go through the lesson. Chapter याद किए थे?
Yes, ma'am.
Exercises.
Yes,
Should
ma'am.
we have a revision test? एक revision test मैं ले लूं आप लोग का.
Yes, ma'am.
और सब लोगों ने ये न्यूज कलेक्ट किया है या नहीं?
मैम किए हैं।
मैम किया है।
तो पहले न्यूज बताइए आप लोग. स्क्रीन
मैम,
पर
मैम,
कोविड
मयंक राज।
मयंक राज स्टार्ट.
Ma'am, Zakir Khan, Karan Johar are a cooking big surprise of Britain. Good day. Or ma'am, Kerala HC renames case as a tribute to dog that was a beaten to death. 4 arrested as a police file exfiltration bid in a Jharkhand Baramulla. 80 years old falls into well, survive without food for 3 days in Telangana. Sidhu wants rupees 8.7 lakh electricity bill in Punjab amid power crisis, say official. Release CCTV footage. TMC as SG Mehta said did not meet Shivvendu. EX Haryana CM Chautia serving 10 years person's term released from Tihar jail. The court defer order on Sasish Tharoor's trial in a wife death case. 200 protesting farmer booked for creating rooks and Ghaziabad. 16 years old boy shot dead at a wedding function in Agra. 2 booked. A drone supported over Indian High Commission in Pakistan. India lodged protest report, sending that doctors are attacked on duty. Chief Justice Raman. Truck rams into house in Bihar. 6 people, including 5 children, killed. Thunderstorms accompanied by rain predicted on Saturday in Delhi. Drone research center to be set up in state Kerala police chief. Karnataka government allocates rupees 26 crore for development of SC/ST. PT Plastic not right. Union Minister as a Rahul asked where are vaccines. Uttarakhand CM Triat Rawat offered resigns in letter to BJP chief.
Okay, correct. Very good, Mayank Raj. Anybody else has collected?
Ma'am, can I?
कौन है? मन्नत.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Okay, चलिए आइए. Come on the screen. हाँ.
Is state to receive 44.9 lakh COVID-19 vaccine doses in the next 3 days center. Karnataka government extreme travelers from Kerala with at least one COVID vaccine dose from producing RT-PCR negative report. India virus date toll tops 4,000 experts say it's higher. Center rushes team to 6 states for COVID control measures. COVID first waves led to increase in antibiotic misses in India study. How will do COVID vaccine work in the real world? India thread to across 4 lakh COVID deaths per million, lowest amount fourth hit. Public Health England say Astra COVID strong 94% protection against Brazil to expand 324 ml COVAX deal will Bharat Biotech amid great board. Behind the stock, how ITC, the king of negative, turn into India many stock. 5 mid-craft stock to go for if you want to play on Hemang Jani.
Ma'am, Yashasvi.
Yes, yes. Yes, you
Singa-
can continue.
Singapore
Continue.
Singapore CEO 28 spends $38 million in a week on 2 luxury homes. There are total 7,10,793 people in Bihar who are recovered from COVID-19. There are total 9,592 deaths from COVID-19 in Bihar. SBI offers 5.4% interest on fixed deposit of up to 10 years. Goa extends COVID-19 curfew till July 12. Germany's Toni Kroos announces retirement from international football. COVID third wave in Mumbai unlikely to be as large as second wave. A total of 51 Delta plus variant cases reported in India. Bihar reports 1,716 COVID cases.
Okay.
Ma'am, can I say Diksha Sinha?
Who is there? कौन बोलना चाह रहा
Diksha
है?
Sinha. Diksha Sinha. Diksha Sinha.
Yes, yes. हाँ बोलो आ जाओ.
Expert panel allows Dr. Daddies to submit Russian trial data for nod to a Sputnik Light.
Come on the screen. Screen पे आइए.
Ma'am,
दीक्षा.
yes ma'am.
Screen खोलो अपना.
Yes ma'am.
Yes. हाँ start. बोलो.
Dr. Daddies, which in the Indian partner of Russian Direct Investment Fund RDIF has submitted a proposal for grant of market authorization of Sputnik Light, which is component one of Sputnik V, along with the interim safety
Loudly,
and
beta, loudly. Speak loudly.
okay, ma'am. And efficacy data generated from phase 1-2 clinical trial in Russia and had presented a phase 3 clinical trial protocol before the SEC.
Completed.
Done. Completed.
हो गया.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next one. कौन बोलना चाह रहा है? Is there any more students? Who has
Can I
prepared
say
the
more
news?
news?
कोई और है?
Ma'am, can I say more news?
हाँ,
Okay, ma'am. Punjab CM Amrinder Singh must take responsibility, say AAP. Shrimoni Dal leads march outside PCPCL office across Punjab. Punjab State Power Corporation Limited must change transmission instruction, say more stood at number 3. If required, he should replace Panjara Bard Hogue. England versus India women Mithali Raj recovers from neck pain, ready for third ODI. Five Sri Lanka players refused tour contract ahead of series versus India. India not a second string team. Sri Lanka cricket responds to Arjuna. Punjab State Corporation Limited must change sales Nagpur Singh Sidhu strings advice on how a tackle Punjab power craze. Now Sidhu advise CM on power moves.
Ma'am,
okay.
can I say more news?
हाँ, बोलिए, दीक्षा, tell.
Heat wave likely over northern plains in next 2 days. IMD. The weather office said that heat wave conditions were recorded in most places over Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, Delhi, West Uttar Pradesh, northern Rajasthan and northwest Madhya Pradesh with several heat wave condition at isolated areas in the region serve heat wave conditions were observed at isolated place over northeast Rajasthan as well. It is said no infiltration along LOC after ceasefire arrangement with Pakistan Army Chief Narwan on the issues of recent drone attack at the Indian Air Force station in Jammu. General Narwan said easy availability of drones definitely increase complexity and challenge for the security forces. Ma'am, completed.
Ma'am, can I say more news?
मयंक,
Yes, ma'am.
अच्छा, बोलिए.
Mi 11 Ultra now available in India. Registration for a sale open now.
तुम अपना कैमरा पहले से ठीक करो. It is looking upside down. Position it straight. हाँ, now it's okay. हाँ, ठीक है, चलो.
Keeping hardcore criminals in cells for 22 hours a day. Illegal HC. Completing Sikh segment using Akal Takat as a football. Uttarakhand CM Trihat Singh Rawat resistant 4 months after taking Oath. ACB carries out search at All India Industrial Exhibition Society in Hyderabad. 10 girls received from a Delhi ZV road break shelter home wall escape. Army force must keep their guard up in Ladakh. Assist of a Dino Moria, 3 other sides of rupees 14 crore 500 sterling by oath of fraud case. Drug cartel brushed heroin worth of 16 lakh seized in Delhi. Amid Delhi peak powers damage reaches 7 lakh 323 MW. Pakistan involvement in a drone attack on IAF base possible in Jammu Kashmir police chief. Ma'am, done.
Ma'am,
Okay.
can I say
Now
more
you
news?
can let us have a quick revision of the lesson. आप लोग कितना पढ़ के आए हैं ये जरा सा मैं देख लेती हूँ। हैव अ क्विक रिवीजन। आप अपना बुक बंद रखिएगा। नाउ quotable quotes. The child is the father of man. Who has written this?
Ma'am, William
Ma'am,
Wordsworth.
your voice is not
Yes,
coming
William Wordsworth.
clearly.
Correct answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Your voice is not coming clearly.
Ma'am, your
The
voice
next
is
is-
coming.
Voice is not coming,
Ma'am, coming.
but it is coming. Okay. The thing of beauty is a joy forever. Who has written this?
John Keats. John Keats.
Whatever you are, be a good one.
Ma'am, Abraham Lincoln.
Yes, correct. Then come to the next topic. Writings of great man. Wings of Fire was written by
Ma'am, repeat the question.
Wings of
APJ
Fire.
Kalam.
APJ Abdul Kalam.
APJ Kalam.
APJ Abdul Kalam.
The Boy Billionaire was written by
Mark Zuckerberg.
Mark Zuckerberg. Mark Zuckerberg. Then next, Making India Awesome is written by
Chetan Bhagat.
Chetan Bhagat.
yes, Chetan Bhagat.
Ma'am, Chetan Bhagat.
Yes, correct. Then next one. Explain the following. At a snail's pace, what is it? How can we compare a snail pace with? At a snail's pace, it is very slow. The next one. Please respond. Lion's den. It is a place of a powerful person.
A place of the powerful person.
Yes. Write the meaning of the following. Fakir. Fakir is known. Who is known as Fakir?
Ma'am, Fakir. Ma'am, a poor man.
A poor or religious man is known as Fakir. Who is known as Pandit?
A scholar or a priest.
A scholar.
Yes, a scholar or a priest. Now you tell me these abbreviations about the environment. AAQ. Abbreviation related to environment.
Ma'am, advanced air quality. Ma'am,
Yes,
advanced
advanced
air quality.
DAD.
Dead and decomposing.
Dead and decomposing. IRAP.
Ma'am, immediate response action plan. Ma'am,
Yes,
immediate response
immediate-
action plan.
Immediate response action plan. Now we have to start the word with PH using the hints. Body structure is called as body structure is known as started with PH. It is
Physique.
known as
Ma'am,
physic, not physique. Physic. Then a copy of a document is known as
Photocopy.
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 Fear is known
Photocopy.
as. A fear
Ma'am,
is known as.
Phobia.
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 Use double letter word and the hints to form the answer. To praise in excess is known as.
Flatter.
Flatter.
Opposite of loser is known as.
Bitter.
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 Loser. I am telling loser, not sweet. Loser is known
Loser.
as.
Ma'am,
Winner.
Ma'am, winner.
Winner. Winner.
Yes. Okay. Now, children, all of you, please learn all the chapters of Unit 1 and 2. That is your language and literature and environment around. And this should be learned by all the students. As we are revising, we will have a revision test in the next class also. हम लोग next class में भी एक revision test करेंगे, ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
Anything else you have to ask here? कुछ और पूछना है आपको?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
ठीक
No,
है,
ma'am.
okay. तो नेक्स्ट वीक में वर्क में आप पेज नंबर 33 कर लीजिएगा, 33 and 34. We will discuss in that class. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you all of you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Mom,